Good morning, Jeffrey Cornwell here at Marino Performance Motors. Here I'm going to do another video walk around. Today is going to be on our 2014 Porsche 911 Turbo. All right, there is not a whole lot I can point out on this car negative. I'm going to do just kind of a quick circle here around the car, and then I will point out any little imperfections that I can find. There are zero significant dings or scratches. It is just a very, very, very nice example. So we'll start off and get in here close on the front nose. Now the entire front end, the front bumper, fenders, and the front bonnet are all covered in PPF. The only thing on the front that's not PPF'd is the lower part of the body kit from the TechArt body kit, but everything else is PPF'd, and the PPF is in pretty good shape. There's like one little spot right here, and I'm using a ballpoint pen to put it into perspective. Looks like a rock. I don't know if you're even going to see it with the reflections, but there's a little spot right there that's got a little nick in the surface of the PPF from a little rock peck. But that's all I really see on the front bonnet or the top of the front bumper. Trying to tell if looks like they did not do the headlamp covers either. So the headlamp covers are not PPF'd, but they're not all chipped up. They look good. Coming down here on the front area of the bumper, everything's really good. Got one little mark on the PPF right here. The part of this body kit on this front lip is in really good shape. It's not all beat up. Got a couple little rock pecks. Got one right here. Got one right here. That one's been touched up. But other than that, that's really it on the front. Let's go down here, down the driver's side. Again, the front fender is all PPF'd. The wheel, no curb rash. Let's take a look at the date code on the tires, if there can be read. Date code on the tires, 2019. Tread-wise, tread's good on them. I don't know with the shadows how easy you can see it, but the tread's good on the front tires. We'll go down the side here. Carbon fiber covers on the side mirrors. Looking down the driver's door, there's no dings or scratches. The lower rocker on the body kit, looks like we have a small, oh, that's just dirt, never mind. But you can see the lower part of the rocker with the body kit's all in good shape. Got a little bit of minor peppering down here, like you see on most of these cars. Looks like at some point somebody took off the PPF spat that would have been factory, that would have been there normally, but it's not really. Got a couple little small little minor pecks that you really have to be right up on top to even see. Carbon fiber on the intake's good. Here on the rear fender, no scratches or dings. Let's look at the rear wheel. No curb spots on the rear wheels. Let's look at the date codes on the back. 2020 on the rear tires. Good tread on them. Come around here to the rear bumper. Nothing to note here on the rear driver's side corner of the bumper. Don't see anything back here to point out negative. No dings or scratches on the rear bumper. Taking a look at the rear wing. That's just a little speck of dirt. Nothing, all this is really nice. No issues back here. Come around here to the passenger side. Don't really see anything here. Just a little dirt down here. Nothing to point out. I don't see any dings or scratches. The fender is all good. Carbon fiber piece on the intake's good. Taking a look at this wheel, no curb rash. Looks like I got one little peck right here. Again, tires are good. Let's just find you the date codes on this side. It's upside down, but 2020 on the rear is just like the other side. So just like the driver's side, the original piece of PPF, that spat that goes right here, has been removed. You've got a little bit of minor peppering. You're not even going to see it in the video, but I'm just being your eyes and showing you what I see. Got one little peck right there. You got a little bit of peppering down low here, but nothing major. A lot of this will probably buff, or like this could be touched up. Going down the door, no dings or scratches. The rest of the lower rocker. Got one little scuff mark right there. That is just on the surface. That should come right off with some compound. Here onto the front fender. No issues. Again, it's all PPF'd. It's front wheel. No curb rash. Again, on the date code, 2019 on the tire. Take a look at the top. No dings or scratches or marks on the top of the car. All right, let's move over to the interior. You take a look here, starting with the driver's door panel. Everything's really nice on it, no issues. Take a look at the driver's seat. There's no bolster wear, no wear at all. It's just really nice. Alcantara steering wheel's not all wore out. Dashboard's in good shape, no shrinkage or lifting. Carbon fiber's all in nice condition. Take a look at the back seats. Sun's popping back out, so got a little bit of shadows, but the back seats, no issues, in very good condition. Look at the seat back. It's not all scuffed up. Go ahead and do a start up here. Give it a couple just light revs. See, it revs as it should, nice and smooth. I have no warning lights, no check engine lights, well, other than the door being open. Everything else is in line. I have no warning lights. You can see everything here looks really good. All the carbon fiber. Current miles as it sits at this exact moment, 21,804. Not much to see in the engine compartment, but take a quick look here. Now we'll step around to the passenger side. No issues on the passenger side door panel. No issues on the dash. Seats in great condition. No wear spots, no wear marks on the bolster. Take a look at the back seat. Again, in just excellent condition. Seat back is all in great shape. It's not all scuffed up. Again, all the carbon fiber is in great shape. Door sill is not all scuffed up. I forgot to make note of that on the driver's side, so we'll go take a quick look at that. So here on the driver's side, the door sill, inner and outer, both in great shape, not all scuffed up. Take a look underneath the front bonnet. Not really a whole lot to point out under here. Take a look at the tool set. Looks like everything's intact here. Air compressor, in case for a flat tire. All right, just do one last circle around the car. Again, very nice example, especially for a 2014. We got a 10-year-old car here with good miles in exceptional condition. Not your typical cookie cutter 911 turbo. It's got some nice adds with the Tech Art upgrades and the wheels. you're interested in this car, let me know, and I'll do what I can to make it yours. All right, I'm gonna do a little short drive around the block, just kind of get it up to speed. I know you can't feel this, but I can tell you the AC is blowing ice cold. So with that being said, let's just take this for a quick spin around the block. Shifts are nice and smooth as they should be. Got up to about 55 right there in that short distance. No excessive noises. Nothing sounds like there's no vibrations. Driving straight. There's no pull. Everything just feels like it should.